everyone. Thank you for the invitation. I'm an interoperability expert at the Agence du Numérique. Today, I would like to introduce the DREAM project. DREAM project, it's a national imaging sharing project based on a network of gateway with a central register. Here is a summary with different bullet points. To start, I'm going to tell you about the ANS. ANS created in 2009 as a responsibility of promoting the development of shared information system in e-health. As you know, ANS is a member of IHE International, HL7 Standard, and IHE France. We are managed by the Ministry of Health. For the DREAM project, we write all the technical specification and we promoted the project into the three main roles of agents. In Agence, we regulate e-health in France, we operate, we promote and valorize all e-health initiatives. The ANS also manages the CSIS. CSIS is an interoperability specification with a nationwide scope. This specification constitutes a standard in order to exchange information. CSIS has 3 lawyers: professional lawyers, service lawyers, transport lawyers. Each PAN includes 3 spec, functional spec, study of profiles and standard, and technical spec. The specifications are available on the ANS website and are public. The Ségur program. The DREAM project is integrated in the program Ségur. Digital Ségur was created with the objective to generate a smooth and secure transfer of health data between health professionals and patients in order to better prevent and better cure. It's a big program with historic funding, historic investments of 2 billion euros, and a giant leap from 10 million to 250 million document exchange every year via the DMP, Shared Medical Record, and MS Santé, secure messaging at the end of 20 or 23. Mon Espace Santé is a central registry and repository to collect all the documents for the French citizen. Today, there are only documents that are shared and exchanged. It was decided to extend this sharing to imaging using into Mon Espace Santé as a register and the PACS source as a repository. The DREAM project, it's a unique program for the ecosystem destinations. Vendors, publishers offer codes with €0, remaining payable by their customers. The DREAM project refers to the distribution of medical images produced by over 1,000 PACS nationwide. The DREAM project is support all the main actors in radiology and nuclear medicine. What is the DREAM project? A little focus. The project focuses on the centralized access to image pointers with profile XDSI and DICOM manifest COS in order to locate and view imaging exam from source packs. This gateway functionality called DreamBox. DreamBox may be performed by an independent software in front of the packs or directly by the packs. Each vendor chooses the best way to implement the DreamBox interface on its product, on their SE. Such a DreamBox has several functions. Fills the DMP with DICOM manifest, built from information coming from the packs and the RIS. The build of COS is triggered by a report approval, provide access to the PACS source imaging data by supporting image retrieve, and provide an image display hosted on the source DreamBox to be accessed by any remote web browser using a viewer DICOM web and an URL position on the report, imagery report. Some use cases of this unique project. Two main use cases for patients. Be able to consult image through the platform Mon Espace Santé, is a national registry, anytime, anywhere from URL link positioned on the report. For health professionals, enable professionals to visualize and examine products anywhere within the French territory. Enable professionals to consult past exam for a given patient, and for the radiologist, nuclear doctors, and imaging specialists, import the exam in his DICOM environment and make comparison on the post-treatment. For the general practitioner, visualize an exam linked to an imaging medical on a report from a link integrated with, within the report. In this parameter, outside the perimeter, outside teleradiology, this is a specific workflow inside the RIS. Emergency, the workflow DREAM, it should not be used for an emergency context, but the photo, the imaging can be published after the emergency. This is the workflow global of the DREAM project. I will give a description of the general workflow. The workflow is split in two. To the left, you have the initiator system, include the RIS, PACS, and DreamBox source. In the technical structure or radiology office, a technician is going to carry out an examination. This examination stored on this PACS source. A medical report of this examination is drafted and validated by the radiologist. This validation triggers sending the report into the DreamBox source in transaction number 1. The DreamBox source retrieve the HL7 message ORU include report and parse the same message. The DreamBox reads and retrieves many fields and data from a message HL7. From this data retrieved in HL7 ORU, DreamBox put a DICOM command to get the identifiers of studies. The raw data, DICOM, remains on the PACS. storage in the packs. The Dreambox builds the COS, manifest COS, it's a binary, includes the fields HL7 such accession number, study instance UID, and URL, retrieve URL of the Dreambox source. We build a mesh, a national mesh of Dreambox. The Dreambox source provides and registers the COS in the national DMP, Shared Medical Records. The DMP, the DMP have a registry and repository XDS, and the Dreambox is homologated by the DMP for register and provider. To the right consumer, I start from below the radiologist, interest to recover exam and make comparison. As a reminder, the same Dreambox is source and console. The professional use the Dreambox to watch the study with the DICOM viewer. DICOM viewer web, no diagnostic integrated in the user interface Dreambox console. He will use the national patient identification for call the COS. The Dreambox console is especially for radiologists. It can export studies in the information system radiology local as packs and workstation, same function as CD import. IHE profiles used in the Dream project. Two use case, two profile use with many transactions. Sharing image manifest from the Dreambox source of the national patient dossier. Dreambox source is imaging document source. DMP document repository, document registry. The DMP is based on the XDS profile. For the project needs, the DMP is upgraded to the XDS I.B profile, which allow image sharing. The transaction RAD 68 transaction allow to send the COS to the DMP, provide on a register, and use standard DICOM part 3.3 key object selection COS. We choose the COS that contains the image object reference as URL with retrieve location. Access image following access on the DMP to the COS, consuming Dreambox access image from the source Dreambox. Dreambox console is imaging document consumer. The Dreambox console retrieve the COS. Transaction ITI then ITI 43 to retrieve the document COS. We one deviates from the XDSI profile. We used Wadu RESTful instead of Wadu URI, as Wadu RESTful is more flexible and is becoming widely used. Transaction RAD 55 transaction is replaced by the RAD 107 of the IHE profile. The DICOM viewer host by the consuming Dreambox offer a single user interface to the viewing health professional. The team of projects wrote many specifications, two project specifications, and some thesis specification published in thesis. The specification deliverable has been produced and are available on the INS website. We may send you links. We need to build a network of trust. Thank you for your attention. Should you have any questions?
Thank you, Mathieu.
Welcome.
We have time for one question. Yeah.
Thank you for your presentation. In Holland, I was co-author for an advice to the Ministry of Healthcare for the sharing of radiology images. And what we discussed with the radiologists was the need to have a timeline within their own interface to see what data is available. Because if you only work on a push system, which I think this is, if I understood your presentation correctly, then you're dependent on what the sending hospital provides you with information, and that may not be the information that you need. Was this in the project as well, or what is your view on this?
We are in the project Aton. We are testing the different transactions. We have transaction DICOM and XDSI, and we make a retrieve DICOM to retrieve studying to build the cost to retrieve DMP.
Yeah, if I may add, no, it's an entirely pool program.
Sorry.
You pool the data from the 1,000 packs all over France.
I understand, but it's all.
Data is never pushed from the source.
I understand that. Thank you. But the main goal, in my point of view, is that you should have a timeline of the global data. Sorry, not the global, the national data for a particular patient, because that gives you the information as a radiologist to make sure I want that particular exam or I want that particular exam.
Absolutely. If you look at the DreamBox specification, the DreamBox functional specification on the consuming side, there is a timeline that gives you all of the imaging study and all of the imaging report that qualify your query criteria. You can ask for all of a given modality, all of a given body part, all from within time frame. So there are some metadata to filter, and once you have that filter, you got the timeline.
Okay, perfect. And that is in its own system, if I understand you correctly.
It's in the receiving system.
In the receiving pack system.
The receiving pack system built that timeline out of data it gets from the registry.
Okay, yeah, okay, that was my question. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mathieu.